Welcome to Galway, Atlantaquaria. We hope you enjoyed this social story which will prepare you for your visit to the aquarium. Just to let you know, this gate can be opened. Please call reception 091 585 100. There are 2 disabled parking spaces in the aquarium complex. Here is the ramp to the aquarium entrance. Follow the route around to our new aquarium entrance. Very welcome to reception. Here you will find lots of information about your visit and the option to use one of our 2 ear protectors should you require them. Welcome to the aquarium. First thing you see will be the splash tank. Here is what it sounds like. That wasn't too bad, was it? You actually get used to it after a while. Toilet facilities are beside the splash tank. There are 2 routes through the aquarium, the ground floor or first floor route. Both routes follow the one-way system and you will still see all the aquarium either route. Enjoy learning about our native sharks, rays and crustaceans, as well as other unique species. Thank you for visiting Galway, Atlantaquaria. We hope you enjoyed your visit and we really appreciate your custom. Just to let you know, while you're in Salt Hill, it is a lovely place to visit. There is lots of beaches and we also recommend a visit to the Circle of Life Memorial Garden. Thank you.